And the capability of this AI tool is just mind-blowing. And you could see it with people using it to create portraits online, students using it to write their essays, people using it to get recommendation for healthy recipes and exercise routine. It's totally mind-blowing. But if you don't know what ChatGPT is the latest launch AI tool that's been making waves. It was recently launched in November of 2022 by openAI, and it has since gained millions of users already. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 7 side hustles that you could easily make money using this super AI tool called ChatGPT. So the very first side hustle is something I've already mentioned in this platform, but with ChatGPT, it's just kind of make it easier, and that is domain name flipping. So literally you could just go to sites like GoDaddy, Namecheap, and purchase a domain name as cheap as $10. Flip it for some people that need the website for a higher profit. These are just domain name that was recently sold, and you could see right here this myhome.com was sold for about $120,000. Timo.com was sold for about $80,500. And this particular one too, the third one was sold for about $50,000. And you could see these are just the list of domain names that was sold recently at a higher price. And so the idea is to actually find a domain name that you could flip for a higher price. How can you find a potential domain name? So I just had to try it on ChatGPT to see if it can recommend potential domain names that can flip for higher profits, and voila, it came up with some creative potential domain name brand names that are really scalable, brand name that really has potential to sell at a higher rate. So if there's something that you would like to try out, I'll just say go ahead and look into it. It's something that you could just use it. If you're already flipping out domain, just check it out. You might just have some creative cool domain names ideas that you would like to purchase on either Namecheap or GoDaddy, flip it for sale and get higher profit. So when I first found out about ChatGPT's capability, the first thing I desperately wanted to do was to put it to test if it can generate kids storybooks to publish it on Amazon KDP, and it worked. If you watch some of my videos, I had made content on how you can create low content books, medium content books, and I've always wanted to have either a fiction book of mine published on Amazon KDP. So when I tried it on ChatGPT, it worked, guys. So you see, for example, if I ask ChatGPT to write a story about moonlight, and you could see within minutes it started writing on that input. And the thing is that if you checked on Amazon for children's storybook, that's one of the categories that sells really well, and most of those books are 24 pages. So this is a huge opportunity for you. If you haven't published anything on Amazon KDP and you want to dive right into it, I would say go ahead. It's not just limited to fiction. You can go ahead and be creative, create content on any other category, publish it on Amazon KDP, and start making money through this avenue using ChatGPT. According to Google, we have about 130 million people that speak German, and about 300 million French speakers, and 500 Spanish speakers, just to name a few. So if you've already published your low content books, medium content book, high content book on Amazon KDP, or you're just about to do so and you're not tapping into the international market, then you're leaving money on the table. So I know that except you pay a translator to translate your either low content books, medium content books, or high content books to other language, it's not cheap, except you are bilingual, because it's really hard to use Google to translate your content accurately. But with this latest AI tool called ChatGPT, you don't have to worry about all that. With ChatGPT, you can easily translate your low content books, your medium content books to any other language with ease, to be able to sell it to other international markets. And to check the accuracy, I had to compare it with one of these best translation tools that it's almost very accurate. I had to just compare the two, and the results were amazing. Which means with ChatGPT, you can translate any of your either medium, low content books to any of these languages that you would like to target and sell it to the international market. So this is another way that you can start making lot of sales. So if you're already selling on Amazon KDP and you're not targeting those international markets because you don't know how to translate, or maybe you don't have enough funds to hire a translator, well, You don't have to worry anymore. With ChatGPT, you can easily do that. Translate your content, start targeting those markets so that you can make more sales, which means make more money online. So the next side hustle I'd like to share with you is actually starting your own e-commerce business with ease using ChatGPT. So whether you are dropshipping or you like to sell your own branded product online, ChatGPT can make it easier for you to get started immediately with ease, because you will no longer need to go to AliExpress to copy crappy product description to use on your online store. With ChatGPT, you can easily write your product description, the features, the benefits, your landing page, even your art copy. With ChatGPT, you can handle all those things within minutes. You don't need to pay a freelancer to write all these things for you. I remember at a time where a business partner of mine will have to hire a freelancer that will charge about $100 to just write product description, landing page, do all those things. So with ChatGPT, it makes it so easy. I've tried this. It's one of the amazing tools that you could use right now if you're starting your e-commerce business and you like to write your product description, art copies, and all that. Make sure you use ChatGPT to make it easier for you to quickly kickstart your e-commerce store immediately. So the next side hustle you can easily start with ChatGPT is email newsletter. So with ChatGPT, you can generate daily or weekly content around specific topics for your subscribers. So whether you sign up for companies to make newsletter for their subscribers and get paid, or you want to build your own newsletter and sell advertising spots or affiliate links, this AI tool, ChatGPT, is going to write high quality content around that topic you choose for your subscribers. So if there's something that interests you, might just like to look into it, this is something that a lot of people are doing with ChatGPT to generate content and make money easily. So you might have thought that blogging has gone out of style, but that's not true, because almost 2 million blog posts go online every day. So if you've always wanted to build an online brand through blogging, maybe you'd like to share your own creativity, promote your own business, or you just want to earn an income through blogging, which you could do through ad placement, affiliate links, but you don't know how to turn your ideas to written words, well, worry no more, because with this AI tool called ChatGPT, you can literally generate from 20 to 100 well-written blog posts or article around any specific topic or niche for your blog post. So if there's always been something like an hindrance to you, now you don't have to worry, because ChatGPT is totally free. You can use this tool now and start generating content for your blog, and you don't need to pay anyone to optimize your website for search engine, because with ChatGPT, write a few targeted keywords that you want to rank for, and it will generate related keywords based on the latest search results. So with this tool, you could go ahead and create your blog post, start generating content within any specific niche. It will generate different ideas for you. You just put it to work, be creative, put it to work, and it will bring out different ideas for you to use or what to write on within a specific niche. Make use of it right now while it's still free and start making money while you can. As you can see here on Upwork, you could see how much freelance copywriters charge per hour. These freelancers could charge as high as, look at here, as high as $250 per hour, and this one is high as $100 per hour, $50 per hour. So this is where the huge opportunity lies. With this tool, you can actually start your own copywriting agency, because with this tool you can get product description of any product, art copies in any language in minutes. It can handle the tasks of more than 5 people just in few minutes. All you need to do is just input the words or ideas that you wanted to work on, and it will bring you different content on that idea. And if you're not satisfied with it, you can still repeat it, tell it to do more. This AI tool is just totally amazing. It's mind-blowing. These are just some of those side hustles already that people are already doing, but with this tool it can make it easier. It can make you handle the job of 10 people just within few minutes with ease. It's something that you could use and start generating lots of money at it is. And the good thing about it is that it's totally free. And the next side hustle I would like to share with you, I didn't want to add this particular one, but because I've already shared this side hustle in one of my video, but I just had to add it here. It's starting up your own social media management agency. So like I mentioned in one of my videos, you don't need to have an idea on how to start a social media agency. With ChatGPT now can actually make it so easy for you to start your social media management agency. When you get clients, instead of you outsourcing the tasks to freelancers to generate content for your clients. You can use ChatGPT to handle all those tasks. And with ChatGPT, sure enough, you can handle the task of 4 to 5 people just by yourself, which means that you don't share your profit. You get to keep the profit 100% to yourself. With ChatGPT, it can make it more easier for you to get more clients, earn more, and expand. So these are all the ideas that I wanted to share with you. I know that there are still a lot that's still to be discovered with this AI tool, and as different ways comes up that you could use to make money online with this platform, I'll still come back to share with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and if you still need more ideas on how to earn money, I still have other videos. Check it out. It might just interest you, might just be what you're looking for. So I hope to see you next time. Thank you. Stay safe.